Welcome traders, Patrick Head Trader, Trading123.net. Here we're going to give you the trading tip of the day. Use the market analyzer inside NinjaTrader 8 to monitor the volume here. We're trading Friday, December 22nd. It's the last trading day before the Christmas holiday, and usually volume is light. So when we're trading the NQ, we really don't like to start trading it until the volume gets above 100,000, because it can be a slow, choppy sideways market when the volume is below that area, and you'll usually get stopped out. So let's look at the NQ traded today and a CL trade. And the CL pretty much is the same way as the NQ. The volume was below 100,000. So let's look at those trades. So we're monitoring the the NQ here, and basically volume was low, like I said, and we didn't get above the 100,000 mark till here almost 11. So we started the auto trader here, and we're waiting for it to catch a trend reversal, which it does. We're trading 3 contracts. Which we trade each and every day. So you can have the auto trader running. I think I started this around 1050 or so, and was watching the volume, waiting for the volume to get around 100,000, and then I basically just turned the strategy on. So it was in this up move here, and you always want to start it in an up move or down move so it catches the next trend, and that's what it did. First contract here hit its profit target. That's what these green lines, dotted lines, are for. And then this is our stop up here. We use the 15 tick stop on the NQ. And we don't use a trail stop, because usually the trail stop from our findings gets in the way. If you want to test it on your own, go ahead. But we tested it for a month or so. And like, say if you had the trail stop coming in right here, this little bounce, you would have got stopped out and you would have missed out on all this profit here. Because the auto trader is not going to make another trade until the background goes green and the algorithm says, you know, it's time to go long. So this is a weak little bounce. Then it continued to sell. The runner got out here. It reversed, went up. On our 3 contracts, we got out and hit our profit goal for the day. And then we move on to the next trade. And this is a Friday, coming up to the 11:30 time frame where the market volume starts to dry up. Everybody should know that. So we were done trading the NQ for the day. So as I said in the last video, we don't use the Renko charts here on this 5-minute time frame because it won't work. You got to use a 5-minute chart to plot the trends, and you can see support and resistance. And then you can see the patterns in the move, and we use that with the auto trader. As you see, the NQ sold off here at the open, and then going right into 10 o'clock or 11. And we started the auto trader. There just wasn't no volume, and it was choppy. So let's look at our CL trades. What you should learn to watch this 5-minute chart. Next video, I'll make a video of how to set this up in NinjaTrader 8. So the CL here, we started it trading just after 9 o'clock. That's the yellow dotted line here. Shows when we enabled it. As I said before, we started in an uptrend or downtrend, and it catches the next reversal. And that's exactly what happened here. And we booked some profits on our 2 contracts. And the volume was just kind of squigglyish, wigglyish. So we had a $200 profit goal, and we banked it. Got out a little early and banked the profits. And then this is the next trade on the CL. Basically, the market was going kind of sideways here. The volume was still low. It broke out slowly here. Took a while to get moving, as you see. 10 o'clock to 10:40, it hardly moved 10 ticks. So we're waiting for the trend reversal, catch the next leg down, and that's what exactly happened. And in this trade, we had a $200 profit goal. We got out with 170. We bank it. We call it a day. So two key important factors each day is monitor the volume and monitor the 5-minute chart. To look for patterns on the 5-minute and support and resistance. So that's the trades of the day. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you like this video and the tips, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and visit our website if you have any other questions, trading123.net.